All right, so hello everyone. Today I'm showing you that how can you make these kind of assets for your business, any kind of a brand that you have. Just look at this. So you can make 3D rotating logos that have some neon texture in it with some metal. And इसको बनाना बहुत आसान है, to be very honest. Now it's a two-step process, very simple two-step process. First, we will create an image that is this kind of image that you can see on the screen, and then we will animate this. So earlier जो चीज़ आपको करने में शायद घंटे लग जाते हैं इस तरीके का टेक्सचर बनाने में and using Blender to make this, now it is very easy. ठीक है. So once you go to my Instagram, that is Manish Srivastava AI, there you will find this post. In the caption of this post, the image and the video prompts are already shared. All right. So what I want you to do is कि simply बस image prompt को copy करो. ठीक है. और any image generation model of your choice you can choose. मैं अभी नानो बनाना चूज कर रहा हूँ and I have simply done the same thing. मैंने यहाँ पे वो prompt paste करके I'll show you the prompt. See, this is the prompt. And using this prompt only मैंने ये generate करा है. पहले I generated it with pink reddish neon colors, then I generated it using green. So you can see the result. Simply paste the prompt. यहाँ पे अपना aspect ratio you put it in. And मैंने यहाँ पे bracket में aura लिख रखा है because I wanted some aura kind of a texture. And मैंने अपने brand का नाम डाल रखा है AI Line Studios. ठीक है. So this is the image that is generated after changing just three brackets. Once the image is generated, then I went to Kling, and this is one of the best video generation models out there on the internet. So I prefer Kling over most of the other models. Runway को कभी कभी prefer करा जाता है. So here you simply put your image and paste the prompt directly. No need to change anything in the video prompt. Video prompt भी आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? You'll get the video prompt from the same post का caption. ठीक है. Also you can see मैंने यहाँ पे I've also pasted the video prompt, so you can take it from here as well. ठीक है. Once this is done, you simply push generate, and you'll get a free video like this for your brand. So I hope you like the video. In case you like the video, then just push the like button and subscribe if you want more AI information, because I keep on posting a lot of AI content. Thank you for your time.